How to make an art intervention. The Global Roots project has designed a model for making art interventions. The model supports the aim of involvement at all levels. How do we involve children in progressing from their own creative and artistic processes to involving others in shared reflections, ideas, imaginations, dreams, and present-day agendas? An art intervention is an interposing method to interact with people. It is a disruption, something that intervenes and enforces new perspectives on existing structures or a subject area or a situation. It can be considered as a democratic way of asking critical questions or highlighting present-day challenges, and in this way pave the way for new insights. Therefore, making art interventions can be a useful tool when we're working with education for sustainability. The Global Roots project is asking, what is important for our future? We're not searching for the right answers or solutions. We're asking questions and want to inspire children to reflect on the world of tomorrow and ask their own questions. The model on how to make an art intervention is simple. It follows a progress from I to we to the world. First, we engage children in making an artistic or creative experiment based on something they imagine, feel, question, or maybe a story they want to tell. The children ask themselves, what do I wonder? What do I feel? What do I imagine? What do I want to tell or do? Based on their individual experiments or processes, the children have shared reflections and ask each other, what do we wonder, feel, imagine, want to do, or tell? We involve children in bringing the experiments together and create a joint intervention that is addressing the world outside the group. The intervention can take form as an art installation or performance or any artistic medium we would like to explore. Most important is that the intervention engages others to ask new questions and do their own experiments. In this process, the children ask, what do others wonder, feel, imagine, want to tell or do? The intervention becomes alive when it enforces new reflections, questions, and experiments, and new interventions can take form. We hope this model inspires you to support children in sharing their voices with the world.